All right, so let's get into today's daily waffle. This is a game with this waffle shape word puzzle where there are 6 words. 3 of them go across, 3 of them go up and down. The tiles use the Wordle type of rules where the green ones are in the right place already. The yellow ones are in the right word, but in the wrong place in that word, and the gray ones aren't in the right word at all. So this E right here, for example, is happening in 2 different words. There's an up and down word from G to T and a cross word from E to Z. So this E could be in either one of those words, which can be a little tricky. I usually like to see which word I have the most information about and try to take a stab at what that word might be. We honestly don't have that much. I guess we have, okay, so we have 3 letters in this one and potentially this T. And it seems like this T probably can't go in this word on the bottom because there already are 2 T's. So it would have to be 2 T's in a row. So that seems unlikely. So this T, this I has to be, okay, I feel like this is probably irate. Just judging, going off, like the I has to be in the word. It can't be where it is, which seems like a reasonable place for it to be. And it ending in I seems strange, so it seems like it probably could start with I. Okay, and then the T would go here, and then we have a couple. Oh, wait, these E's are yellow though. Are there? Huh. Okay, so I'm thinking the E's can't move off of, they have to be in these words. They're both yellow. So this, I don't think irate works actually. That's weird. What else could this be? Now I'm thinking, it might have to start with I. Or, it might have to end in I. Huh, I'm gonna have to come back to that. That's weird. Okay, so this F has to be in this word. I'm thinking this could be graft, because the F, it seems like it would be weird if the F was in the middle. Oh, and this F is gray, so that means there's no F in this word. So this actually has to be an F. So I'm thinking graft looks good there. So graft potentially. That irate thing is really throwing me for a loop. Okay, this Z is weird. So if this is graft, then this starts with an A. Huh. Okay, so this word starts with E, and then it has to have an E. There's a J, so maybe eject. I'm gonna say that's eject. If that's eject, then this is an E, and this word has to have a Z in it. So it'd probably be A-Z-E, maybe? Craze? How many C's do we have? We only have 1 C, and I already used it for eject. This is seeming like it's gonna be a tough puzzle so far. Eject. I still like eject. I think this could probably be AZE. I also don't like switching tiles immediately because I'm trying to get a 5-star solve, which means that I have 5 swaps remaining, so I can't waste any moves at all, or else I lose that ability. Okay, I haven't thought about this word at all. The top word. But I wish I knew I had like an idea of what this letter was. I can't believe it. So irate, that just really looks like it should be irate. I'm just stuck on that. So if this ends in I, yeah, I don't really see a way that this could be an I. Is that possible? What word would have T, start and end with T? Think, maybe? There's no N though, so it can't be think. And that also ends in a K, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I just feel like this should be tight, but it can't be because there's no letters for that. Huh. So Troddy. Man, I'm lost on this. Graft. A maze. This is probably a maze, is what I'm thinking that is now. Going across the middle. Because we have, so if this is graph, then this is an A. Really thinking ZE for the end of this, because this is if this is eject, and then M would go there for a maze. Okay, so now we have some building blocks, I think. All right, I'm gonna write down the letter bank right now and see what letters we have left if these 3 words are right. So RACFEFHZLIDJTM are all of the letters that are currently not green. And then our words that we're thinking are graft, which uses, so the tiles that aren't green and graft are RAF. So we got an R and an A here, and then an F. And then for eject, we have a JEC. So there's a CE here, a J. And then a maze would use, so we already used the A and the E, so it would just be M and Z. So the letters that we have left here are these, EFHLIDT. And the I has to be in this word. Wait, how do I have an E left? Oh, Oh, the two yellows. Oh, because this E right here is in this word, and that's why it's yellow. So we can actually move this yellow one. Okay, I was thinking this was stuck here, but since this is supposed to be an E, there are actually two yellows pointing at this one. That's okay. That's super tricky. So this is irate. That had to be irate. Okay, that was super tricky and very confusing to me. So that uses an I, a T, and an E. I think we're gonna solve this now. I, T, E. Okay, and then now this is an E, and I think that's way easier to work with. Wait, okay, I don't see, what could that be? Irate. Theft, there we go. Theft, wow, that was tough to see. Okay, so theft uses the H and the F. And then we have LD, glide. Theft and glide, awesome. Okay, so now we've got 6 words. So now the key is to move these tiles around as efficiently as possible to make sure that I don't use too many moves. So I wanna find any moves where I can just switch 2 tiles and have them both turn green at the same time. So I'm just gonna be methodical about this. So this R wants to be an L. Is there a place where's the L? So this is supposed to be an F. That doesn't look like it's gonna work. Yeah, so unless this is supposed to be an R, but it's not. Okay. Okay, so this letter is supposed to be an I. That's not gonna work, I don't think. Irate. So T, E, yeah. Oh, wait, I think I might have just found a 4 tiler. I might have to come back to this, but if this A could go here, and then these 3 letters should switch. All right, I'm gonna look for 2 switchers before I pull the trigger on that, but I'm gonna keep that in mind. So glide, so this is supposed to be a D. There's only 1 D in the puzzle. Oh, so close. Yeah, wait, eject, right? Yeah, so these can switch and both become green, I think. Yes, both green, awesome. Okay, first good switch of the game. And then this F should be an R for graft, right? So this F wants to go here, but that's not the right letter. Glide, yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Next letter is here, so this is a J. The J is down here. That's not gonna work. Okay, E is supposed to be an A, so this is that 4 one that I was talking about. I think that's probably gonna be the move, the 4 switcher. All right, this letter. So this word is a maze, so this F should be an M. Theft, right? This down here is theft. So that actually is it. Okay, this is a 2 switcher. These should both turn green if I'm right. They both did, awesome. So this is the Z. That's not where the H goes. The H goes here. Okay, so we have another, I think this is another switcher. I think we can probably just do that, but I'm gonna be thorough. So the Z wants to go here. Okay. Probably end up showing you guys what I mean by these like there's 4 tiles that could rotate around in 3 moves and become all green. So this is graft. So this is supposed to be an F. That's still not right. This is supposed to be a T. I think I'm just gonna. All right. Yeah, there's no, okay, so none of those are gonna work. All right, so the 2 things that I saw were that if I switch this E with this A goes to the right place, and then we have all 3 of the right tiles in irate. We'll have the E in this word, the I, and the T, so those 3 just need to switch, and then we'll get 4 greens and 3 moves. So watch what I'm talking about. So here's one move, 1 green tile in the A. If I switch the T and the E turns green, and then I switch the I and the T and they both turn green. So we got 4 greens in 3 moves there, which is more efficient than obviously than making 4 moves to get 4 greens. Okay, so then I was thinking the J, the E, the Z, and the H. Yeah, so these 4 are occupying each other's spots. So if I move the J to the right spot, so the J will turn green, and then the E to the right spot, that will turn green, and then if I switch these 2, they'll both turn green. So we got 4, and now we have 3 tiles left with 7 swaps remaining, and this is only going to take 2 swaps. So graft, put the F in the right spot, switch these 2, they'll both turn green, and that is a 5-star waffle, baby. Genius. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, shoot it a like if you don't mind, and subscribe if you like watching more of these. I'm going to be trying to do these most days, just doing different Wordle puzzles and different stuff like that, and also getting into some general math and science tutoring. Catch you next time.